Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be covering the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of December. As we can tell right here, the market is already up about 3.82% here in the past 24 hours, making nice moves, which is a beautiful sight to see. Top gainer is going to be Circuits of Value here in the past 24 hours, making a nice move here. Market cap is at around 89 million, so very low market cap coin, but this, it's made a move of about 359% or so just in the past 24 hours. We have our highest volume as usual here with Bitcoin at 37.8 billion, Ethereum at 28.1 billion. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both up about 4% or so, which is another nice sight to see. Obviously, Ethereum is definitely outperforming right now, making a nice move here on the upside, almost at all-time highs, honestly. We're only about $500 away from all-time highs. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's around $18,000 away from the all-time high. All these other altcoins are up about 5, 6, 7% or so, even 10%, and we're seeing Polygon here 20%. We talked about Polygon in yesterday's video, so if you missed that video, check that out. Everything is pretty much in the green right now, which is a positive sign. If we actually take a look at the crypto bubbles right here for the past week, everything is still red because of the losses that they took last week. But we're seeing some comebacks here. We have GX Chain here up 351%. We have Knowles, which is up about 87%. We have here Cortex up about 119%. Polygon is on this list as well, 29.5% or so. We have Luna, which is up about 31%. So a lot of these coins are coming back up now, and we might be seeing a turnaround here into altcoin season and seeing altcoins start to roar again, which would be a positive sign, obviously, for all of us cryptocurrency investors, and that's definitely something we want to see coming up. So, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and show some support to the channel. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now in the month of December. Now, let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be a popular one, Crypto.com, also known as Crow. Crow is making a comeback here from the lows, finally here in the past 24 hours, from lows of 51 cents. Currently, we're trading around 62 cents. And we are up about 10% or so. In the past week, we're down about 13% from those highs of about 78 cents or so, hitting lows down here of under 50 cents at one point, which is a huge pullback here if you take a look, from 80 cents down here to lows. In the past month, we obviously hit highs of about $1. So from that $1 range to the 49 cents range, literally Crypto.com here made about a 50% pullback. So 50% pullback here on the charts if you take a look. So 50% pullback, if you buy the dip right now, you have about a 90% upside or so, close to 100% upside just to get back to the all-time high area. In the past year, we're still up 865% on this coin. It was trading at 6 cents last December. We hit highs here in December or February at 22 cents, consolidated and hit highs again in April at 24 cents. Pulled back down with the market back down to under 10 cents again, and then from that 10 cents range over to about 99 cents, almost $1 at one point. So about a 900% gain here in a matter of 3 or 4 months over the summer. So 900% gain, which would mean that theoretically, if you would have invested $1,000 into Crypto.com, you would be up over $9,000, and you would be coming out with $10,000 portfolio right now. Market cap currently 15.5 billion on this coin, 451 million in volume, 57% higher than usual. Trading activity is going to be 71% buy activity, 29% sell activity, and typical hold time is going to be 12 days. It is also ranked the number 12 coin on the list. Crypto.com Chain is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while receiving a cashback rewards. They're doing a lot of great things right now, if you guys noticed, even like different sponsorship deals and things like that. And Crypto.com is continuing to grow higher and higher. Beautiful platform in my opinion to use. I actually have used their platform in the past, and something that I'm definitely interested in as well. So Crypto.com continues to grow, continues to move higher and higher, and we have this potential 85 to 90% upside just to get back to the all-time highs, which would be close to about 25 to 30 billion market cap, as we are trading at a 15 billion market cap right now. This coin right here is definitely one that I could definitely see 10% or 10x opportunity for the next 5, 10, 15 years in the future. So Crypto.com, add it to your radar. Let's see what happens with it in the year of 2022. Then we have our second altcoin, Uniswap, also known as Uni. Uni is currently up about 5.7% from lows of $15. Currently, we're trading at around $17. In the past week, we went from highs of $23 all the way down here to lows of about $14 at one point. In the past month, we're down 31% from highs of $28. So a 50% drop on this coin as well from the highs to the lows down here in the past month. In the past year, we're still up 358% from lows of $3 last December, hitting highs here in January, February, continue to move on higher and higher. This coin just continued to march on forward until about May, beginning of May. We hit a high of $45, pulled back down with the market as the market pulled back down to lows of about $15, and then made over 100% upside here just in a matter of about a month and a half or two. So this coin continues to move higher and higher. Right now we're on a downtrend. Hopefully we'll bounce off of this area and continue to go on higher. But obviously that's going to also depend on how Bitcoin and Ethereum and the larger cap coins perform as well. Right now we're at a 10.8 billion market cap. Volume is up 23% higher than usual at 359 million. It is ranked the number 16 coin on this list, 28-day typical hold time, 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity on this one. Now, Uniswap, if you're not familiar, is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. Now, there's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. Now, down here, DEXs have a range of risks, so do your research, obviously. Impermanent loss can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool. So bugs in the smart contracts can be exploited, and anyone can create a token. So watch out for the potential rug pulls, which you guys should be very familiar with. You guys seen that type of situation happen many times here on social media and different platforms where creators make these coins, and then they get people to get in, and then they pull off a rug pull type situation, and you get stuck with your coin, and you pretty much lose all your money. So definitely something to be watching out for, and be careful what you're getting into with that. So that's going to be our second coin. And then last but not least, number 3 on the list is going to be FTX token. So FTT. Right here in the past 24 hours, it's up about 1.5% with lows of about $40. Currently, we're trading at around $44, down 15% in the past week. In the past month, we're down 28% from highs of about $65. In the past year, we hit highs of $85. From that $85 range, we're down about 50% once again. So it looks like most of these altcoins that have been rallying throughout the summer and fall are all down about 50% or so just in the past month or so. They're making huge pullbacks. Now, obviously, there are outliers and coins that are actually on all-time highs currently, like Luna. So that's definitely not the same pattern for everything, but it seems to be a pattern with some of these coins that are all down about 50% or so. Now, last year, this was trading at $4, continued to make higher highs, just like Uniswap, continued to push higher through February, March, and even April into May here at $61, pulled back down with the market to $22, and then from that $22 range all the way up here to highs of over $80, like we said, about a 3 to 4x opportunity right there that we saw. 6.1 billion market cap currently. Volume is pretty much flat here that we're seeing. So this coin is definitely another one that we're going to be watching. Has about 100% upside here just to get back to the all-time high area, which would bring it to around a $12 billion market cap. So this is going to be another interesting one that I'm going to be adding to the radar for the next few months and few years to see what's going to happen with FTX token in the near future as well. So definitely add that one to your radar. Now, quickly, guys, we're going to take a quick look at the rest of the market, see how things are performing, like we said. So Solana's here trading flat under $200 right now. We saw some big players, big moves here on Avalanche, 11%. Crypto.com, like we said, 10%. Polygon, 20%. And Polygon was actually on our list in yesterday's video, so if you missed that one out, check that video out. Polygon has been on the move here. So from those lows that it hit here in the past week at around, $1.62, it's already up about 60 cents from that area, which is actually about 30%, 35% or so in the past month. Polygon's making this nice little trend, as you guys can see from the lows down here in end of November. So it's trying to break through. I would not be surprised to see Polygon trading at all-time highs soon by the end of 2021, potentially, if cryptocurrencies continue to stay up. Obviously, it all depends on how large cap coins are going to perform as well, but we're going to be watching Polygon very closely to see how it's going to perform in the near future as well. Then we have the meme coins here, Doge and Shiba, both up about 4 and 5% depending on which one we're looking at. Dogecoin trading under 20 cents though, which is not a good sign for Dogecoin holders. Like we said, hit lows down here of 16 cents in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're obviously at lows of 13 cents, which is just insane as it continues to go lower and lower. I would not be surprised if we enter a bearish market if that went to under 10 cents. I think you guys would agree with me. We've been kind of bearish on Doge for a while now. In the past year here, or actually past 24 hours here on Bitcoin, trading at 51,000, up about 4% or so. So nice move with Bitcoin here on Monday going into Tuesday. In the past week, we're down about 11.5%, but we're about $6,000 away from the area where we were trading before this, crashed about 42,000. But we have made a little bit of a recovery. In the past month, from highs of 69,000, we're down 17% still. In the past year, we're up 165% on Bitcoin. So 32% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin, 960 billion. Volume is pretty much flat there, 72% buy activity, 28% sell activity. Circulating supply, 18.9 million Bitcoins, 90% of the total supply, obviously. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum, the big dog right here, guys. Ethereum is going to be doing some crazy things in the future, I believe, and it's going to continue to grow higher and higher. So in the past 24 hours, we're up 4% from lows of about 3,900. Now we're trading at 4,300, almost 4,400. In the past week, we're only down about $200 or so from that area that we crashed on down to about 3,500. So for anybody that got in down here on the low on Friday, that was a steal pretty much. Great dip buying opportunity in my opinion if everything continues to move on higher. In the past month, we're only down 3%. In the past year, we're up 634%. So you guys can see Ethereum has been kind of going up and down, kangaroo type situation right here, kangaroo market situation. Hopefully we'll explode on the upside and continue to move on higher. 514.7 billion market cap, 17% of the crypto market space. Volume is about flat, 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity. I believe that Ethereum will continue to grow into the end of 2021, and I would not be surprised to see Ethereum at 5,000 by the end of 2021, especially if we see a little bit of a bullish run here with cryptocurrencies. Now, Bitcoin, I don't think we're going to see all-time highs with Bitcoin by the end of 2021, but Ethereum, I have a weird gut feeling, guys, that's telling me that it might potentially happen. So we're going to be watching that very, very closely, guys. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think about Ethereum? What do you think about Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins that we're talking about? As always, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys see you in the next one. Goodbye.